YouTube, Sarah Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this super cute short curly bob. You guys, this wig is literally weightless. I don't even feel like I have anything on my head, okay? I had so much fun with this look, I couldn't even keep my hands out of it. And not to mention, this is my very first short bob lace front, guys. I'm so excited. And I'm absolutely loving every bit of it. This style was very easy and quick, especially because the install was a breeze. Of course, I'll show you guys all the steps and details, so if you would like to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
Without acting alone, cat me control, cat me control. You without have no soul. Without acting alone, cat me control, cat me control. You without have no soul. without acting alone. Have me control. Have me control. You without have no soul.
Alright guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for sticking through it. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about this hair and where I got it from. I did get it from Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, this hair was $50. Don't make me lie, guys. I want to say it was $50. It's $50 or $60, but I'm thinking it's more like $50. With my Vipon coupon code, I got it for $30. So if you guys want a video on Vipon, I am more than willing to do it because Vipon is everything, okay? If you don't use Vipon, then I'm sorry, okay? But Vipon is everything. So this hair came from the hair company Sago. I've never heard of it before, but I saw a really cheap wig and I was like, I mean, I have to do it. So that's where I got it from. I'm gonna go ahead and read you the specs on it. It is 100% virgin human hair. I don't know what kind of hair, it just says 100% virgin human hair. So that's what it says. This is my very first time doing a short bob. I've had a hairstyle like this before, but on my real hair, never a wig. So I've never done a short bob with a wig before. So this was a challenge for me, to say the least. But once again, you guys know your girl can finesse anything. Okay, so let's get into how I feel about this hair. On the website, when I got it, it showed a picture of a girl with a middle part and like a, you know, the bob coming up to right here. I was like, ooh, with this forehead, I don't think it's gonna look good. So I went ahead and decided to do something else, throw some curls in, make it bouncy, make it fun, and this is what I came up with. But I love the hair. It feels really, really nice. It's silky, it's smooth, it feels like butter, guys, butter. I love it. It curled beautifully. The curls aren't holding as much, but I didn't spray them afterwards, and I'm okay with it because honestly, I kind of was going for a look like beachy, loose, you know, relaxed kind of wave curls. So this is perfect for me. I didn't curl the very bottom. I kind of just left it straight and like spiky. I really like this look this way, so I decided to just leave it that way. I gave myself a little swoop because, you know, the forehead ain't nothing to play with. Oh, this forehead, okay? This 5 head. It's not a game, okay? So I covered it up. But the hair feels really good. It's shedding just a little bit. I think it's just from me cutting the lace. I don't think it's like any major shedding. The flyaways are definitely present, but it's nothing a little bit of freeze blast spray can't help. Speaking of freeze blast spray, my got to be glue blasting freeze spray. Guys, I love this stuff. This is a super easy way to install your wig when you're on the go. You don't have time to use the got to be glued. You don't have time to use any other wig adhesive, any wig tape, any of that. Outside of just the no glue method, this is your next best bet, okay? Money. Love this stuff. So you just spray it. You can wait. I've sprayed it before and done layers, but this time I kind of just sprayed it, put the wig on, and then just like held it down. Take a do-rag or a scarf, whatever you need, and then hold it down and you're good to go. So I love this stuff. It's not gonna last very long. It'll probably last a day or two. Definitely, like, no, you don't be in any humidity, don't sweat, you know what I mean? But if you can stay away from all those things, this stuff is amazing. So that's the method that I went ahead and used to install this wig, and I love it. It's very secure, guys. This wig is not going anywhere, okay? I love this hair. It feels really nice. It's bouncy, guys. It's so light. I don't even feel like I have anything on my head, which is why I love it. So I really like this hair. I love this look. Like I said, I've never done anything like this before with a wig, but I love it. Of course, I did go in with my handy dandy foundation powder. I don't know if I've ever even told you guys what color I use, only because I'm always using something different. This time I went in with my NW48 Studio Fix MAC powder, which is this color if you're just curious. I know I'm running low, but it's all good. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I know it was short and sweet. I don't really have much anything negative to say about this wig. Like I said, it is amazing. I love it. I don't even feel like I'm wearing a wig. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. I absolutely love this hair, guys. If you like it, definitely let me know down in the comments down below. Once again, like I've told you guys before, I am a new YouTuber. I am definitely working on building my following and getting those subscribers up. So if you guys watch this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, guys. Help me get to at least 100 subscribers. That's my goal for right now. So I want to see 100 subscribers ideally by February. Never mind, because it's late in January right now. We're gonna say by March. By March, I really would love to see 100 subscribers. So if you guys could help me with that, I would really appreciate it. But thank you so much for watching, and for the people who always click on my videos when they come out and who always watch it, who always leave a comment. Most of y'all are my family. It's cool, it's cool. I love you guys just the same. So thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting me. Like I said, I'm a new YouTuber. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm new to all of this, but I'm trying, and I promise you it's just gonna get better and better and better from here. The content will get better, the editing will get better, the lighting will get better, the camera will get better. I just need you guys to stick with me. So thank you again so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming with me on this. I said thank you like a million times. You guys get it. Thank you. I love y'all. I appreciate you guys, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.